You'll find another life to live.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm with my cousin. Say hi. Hi. But we are currently going to tie-dye some tank tops. We're not gonna dye it in here, but we're trying to figure out how to like tie it first, and then we're gonna go outside and dye it. The dye that we're gonna use is this one, and we have different types of colors. We got different types of tank tops, or different ones for each colors. What?
I just realized the tops match with the colors.
Oh, whoa. And then we got some bottles. And then we don't have any rubber bands, so we're using her, what is this called?
Rainbow loom.
Stupid.
Yeah, but it's like whirlpool like crap still.
Okay, this is one that's for the tank top.
Oh, like that? Wait, how'd she tie it though? So lay it flat. And she just picked it up from the center and just started twisting it. And then she's like going to like tie it like different sections.
Wait, like this?
Yeah. Go like that and then grab it from the center and start twisting it up and keep on twisting until like the shirt like, but we have to like tie it like every time we like twist.
Oh. I did it wrong. So twist
And like pull up while you twist, so like it like creates like a loop-de hole. I don't know how
I'm so lost on how to do it. Am I doing it right?
No. Put the rubber band like so it's like on top of each other.
Like this?
Yeah.
I'm dumb. Can you do it? I can't. Oh, this is stressing me out. We got a little update. We rubber band. We figured out how to rubber band. I don't know if it's still like wrong or right, but honestly, I'm just gonna send it.
Oh, okay. I did this.
Let me see. Why are you answering?
Why not?
Twist.
Oh, copyright.
If you're singing, no. I'm scared it's like gonna break. Let's see. Let's look at how you do it.
What the?
What?
I want to try that one that she did, like the twisty to like a noodle.
Try it.
So I'm guessing we have to spray water first, like before we do it.
I forgot to film us mixing in the color, but I have mine right here. I'm doing blue, and then I got red, and then she has purple and green. So this one right here, and we don't have any gloves for this, so we're just going with the flow. Because I don't know how much to put on it. So I just do whatever, just do it random, so I don't mess it up. Like, I'd rather have more white than more of the dye. It's so sunny outside. So homegirl is doing rainbows on hers. But here are mine. I did red and purple and blue. And then those are hers. So we're gonna let this sit for, I don't even know how long. We're gonna wait 30 minutes.
Are we supposed to let it sit in a bag?
Yeah, let's put it in a bag.
Okay. I might like put 2 in a bag.
How about we put 2 of our purples in the bag and then 2 of our blues
How do
in
we
the
know
bag?
which one's? My rubber bands are black. Yours are tan.
Yeah. Careful.
Clearly like just water.
True. You put that one in there too? Put your freaking rainbow out of here. So we put the shirts or the tank tops in plastic bags and we're gonna wait for 30 minutes. Okay, so the timer was up and I rinsed out all my 3 tank tops. They're inside. I rinsed them with cold water, but hers were not like pigmented enough, or like there were so many white spots. So we're touching up hers because she's stupid. JK, she's not. Hey! So yeah, we're redoing hers. We're just putting some more dye in it. Trying not to mess it up. Did you put more in the purple one?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it.
No!
Hers is like, basically is still a white tank top. And we're not tying it in rubber bands because the shorts are wet, so it's like much harder to tie. So we're just gonna do it like this. The back looks pretty good too though. It's like swirly. Stop.
I'm so mad.
Okay, I want to flip this one. Actually, I'm gonna add more to this. Oh.
Give me the blue.
Hold on. Oh shit, it's on the concrete.
I'll figure out how to do this one.
Look at that one. Shadi the baddest. Okay, let me go show mine. Are you gonna let this sit over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Sucks to suck. Okay. These are mine. They turned out so good. Hi guys, welcome back. So the clips that you saw were filmed in April and it's now July, so that was a very long time ago. But finally I'm gonna finish this video by cropping the tank tops. Yeah, I have these 3 here and I am finally going to crop and finally be able to wear them. Yep, we're gonna crop it right now. Oh my gosh, why are people doing fireworks? It's literally July 3rd, like, come on. And I have my little puppy sleeping here. Oh my god, he's so precious. Hi, baby. Hi. He's like, what? Why'd you wake me up? Freak. Oh shoot, my camera's all over this place. Payne's helping me with this. I don't know what, should I measure to see like how crop I want it? Okay, I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna put on the tank top and then measure. Okay, so I got the measurement to how much I wanna cut it. My puppy's eating my jacket right now. Can you stop, please? Excuse my foot. Okay, for this pink one, I did kind of a little fail because I kept cutting more and now it's like this. I'm gonna try cutting the other ones. Hopefully I'll do better, but we'll see. Okay, we are moving on to the next tank top. Payne said to draw a straight line to where I'm cutting it, so that's what I'm gonna attempt to do. Okay, purple one is done. Now I'm gonna put it on and see if it is not like this. Okay guys, so I think the purple one looks a little better than the pink one because I didn't do it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Fi or not. So we are on to the last one, which is the blue one, finally. I'm really like obsessing over this purple one. This one's my favorite. So here is what the blue one looks like. This one I like a lot actually. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my kind of failed, kind of not DIY tie-dye crop tops. But yeah, other than that, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. And also follow me on all my social medias. I'll have everything linked down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!